Good morning, student. On last turn, we completed chapter number 8, that is the introductions to trigonometry. Now, today I am going to start chapter 9, some application of trigonometry. This chapter is also related with chapter 8, uses of the trigonometry in our daily life is in this chapter. Let us see some main points of it. When this is your object, you see the object from below side to upward, it form angle of elevation. Like flying kite or flying aeroplane, tree, building, etc. When the object is on below side, this is the object, and we see from upward to downward, that becomes this angle. This angle is called angle of depression. This angle will be equal to this angle. Like to see ship from bridge, or to see running car on ground from building. We use this thing, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Generally, in trigonometry, in this application, we use trigonometric table. Mostly it is use of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Generally 3 values are used, and here sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. It is 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2. You have already done in chapter number 8. Now, cos 30, cos 45 and cos 60 degree. Tan 30, tan 45 and tan 60. Generally, mostly 9 values will be used in this chapter, that is the application of trigonometry. Let us see the questions from exercise 9.1. In this chapter there are two types of triangles, one only single triangle formation and second two triangles formation. First we will do the single triangle formation questions, exercise 9.1. Question number 1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole on the ground. This is your vertical pole. This is vertical pole, this is tied on the ground, and this is a rope, tight rope, which is also tied with the ground. This is rope, it is 20-meter long. The angle formed by this rope make the angle with 30 degree. Find the height of the rope. So this is A, B and C. Let CB is pole of height h, AC is rope of length 20 meter. So hypotenuse is given to you, perpendicular is to be calculated. Hypotenuse is given to you, perpendicular is to be calculated. Perpendicular and hypotenuse is used in triangle CAB, that is sine. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sine 30 is 1/2. Perpendicular, that is BC, hypotenuse is AC, 1/2 h upon 20, cross multiply, 2h is equal to 20, h is equal to 20/2, that is 10 meter. Therefore, height of pole is 10 meter. Let us see second question. A tree, question number second. A tree break due to storm and broken part bend so that top of tree touch the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. This is a tree. It is broken from a point C. It is broken from a point C. This AC part is broke down and this touch on the ground. This touch on the ground making an angle of 30 degree. This is 30 degree. The distance of the foot of tree, this is the foot of tree to the point where the top touch the ground, this top touch the ground, this is point is 8 meter. Find the height of tree. Let H is the height of tree, AB is the height of tree. It is broken due to storm from a point C. A touches to a point D on the ground. So, AC is equal to DC. Let AC is X. Let AC is X, so DC is also X. And CB is AB minus AC, so H minus X. Here you see base is given to you, hypotenuse is to be calculated. Base and hypotenuse is used in triangle CDB cos 30, because base is given, hypotenuse is to be calculated. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, base is BD, hypotenuse is DC, root 3 upon 2, 8 upon DC, cross multiply, root 3 DC is equal to 16 and DC is equal to 16 upon root 3. That is X is equal to 16 upon root 3 meter. In this triangle is also base is given to you, perpendicular is to be taken. So we will take tan 30 perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, perpendicular is h minus x base is 8. Cross multiply h minus x root 3 is equal to 8, h minus x is equal to 8 upon root 3, putting the value of x in equation 1. This is the equation 1, putting x is equal to 16 upon root 3 in equation 1. So, h minus 16 upon root 3 is equal to 8 upon root 3, and h is equal to 8 upon root 3 plus 16 upon root 3. It becomes 24 upon root 3. Multiply and divide by root 3. So 24 root 3 upon 3, 3 8 ja, so that is 8 root 3 meter. Therefore, height of tree is 8 root 3 meter. Homework is question number 3 and 4 of exercise 9.1. And also you do it example 1 and 2. Both the questions and examples are on one triangle, based on one triangle system. Thank you.